Okay, in this next part, we're going to talk about function. And I'm going to introduce to you maybe a principle or a word that you've not heard before, and that is vitalism, or the vitality continuum. Let me show you this. This is going to be on the screen here. At 100% health, that's 100% life, that's vitality. At 0% function, that's 0% life, that's death, that's 0% vitality. So health is all about function. And what system controls all healing and all functioning inside the body? That is the nervous system. And your nervous system is what keeps you and I alive and what allows us to vibrate at our absolute best. I say that word vibration, and sometimes people can be weirded out by that term vibration. But we're all vibrating. In fact, there's particles that are moving at a specific frequency in everything. In this desk, in food, so an apple as an example, vibrates, and there's frequency. And you can see it on Kirlian photography. A leaf as an example right here. That is vibrant, and there's energy within all of it. Human beings, we vibrate. There's particles that are moving inside of us, and that is all processed through the nervous system. So your nervous system is vibrating, and it's healing, and it's going to work. It's rejuvenating. There's things that are happening inside you and I that we don't even know that's happening. Your body's healing from things that you did, and you don't even know about it. And the same thing with me. And so if healing is all function, and function is all processed through the nervous system, then we have to look at what would interfere with the nervous system's ability to heal and function at its absolute best. And there are 5 sources of interference, or what we call 5 essentials. Number 1 is your mindset. Your body's ability to heal and function is directly related to your mindset. So we're all vibrating, and emotions in your mind play a direct role in that vibration. So feelings of joy and empowerment, of love, of freedom, that's when you're vibrating at your absolute best, as opposed to feelings of grief, depression, despair, disempowerment. Those are feelings when you're not vibrating at your best. You're not getting that aura or the fullness of expression of health. So your mindset plays a huge role. Feelings of anger, that plays a direct role in health. We notice stomach problems with people who are angry, as an example. Number 2 is real food. So we say food by God and not food by man. Eating foods that are for us, you and I, to eat, that for generations, for centuries that we've been eating, versus the food that has been artificially grown or genetically manipulated, or there's been additives that are chemicals that our body doesn't know, that it doesn't know how to process, and certainly doesn't necessarily, you don't want that to be absorbed and become a part of you. So real food. 3, fitness. So 3rd essential, fitness. So your body's ability to be fit, and that's oxygen and lean muscle, and that comes with habits over time. Minimizing toxicants, number 4. And I say toxicants because, it's not just the toxins that we're exposed to in our food that we eat, but also the drugs that we take, the household cleaners that we're exposed to, in our air, in our water systems. There are toxins everywhere with industrialized practices, industrialized farming. And there are these products that are known to cause ill effects with human health. So toxins, minimize them. And then spinal alignment. So your alignment matters, and your nervous system plays the biggest role in your body's ability to heal and adapt on its own. And those little bones in your spine surround and protect the brainstem, the spinal cord, and the nerves. And so those bones matter, and they can play a direct role in your body's ability to heal and function because of its impact on the nervous system. So you want great spinal alignment straight from the front, and from the side you want to have 3 distinct curves. And you want each and every one of those bones to be stacked on top of each other evenly, and they have to be moving well. And so that's one of the reasons why on a regular basis you have spinal alignment checkups, and make sure that you're getting adjusted on a regular basis to make sure you're not only maintaining good spinal alignment, but also good nervous system health. So in these next handful of videos, we're going to be going into food, real food, grocery store shopping. I'm actually going to walk you through a grocery store, and we're going to go through and give you guidance on, how to do this the right way, how to eat not just real food, but how to do a full food makeover. So that's what we're going to be talking about next.